Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya. Katlaingot ki Khynnah Pule jongka Lady Keane College Higher Secondary Section. Kila syajiet ban lekmi lani kataka exposure visit yaga Indian Space Research Organization ha Bengaluru Dangshen. Kani kadeka program balapan bet daga NE Sparks Department of Education banjiet ya shispa ngut ki Khynnah Pule jong kani kathan chate lammingi jong Islam Pule beper Lengbaga Northeast Students Program for Awareness kabalapan ya daga Indian Space Research Organization bat balabay ya jinglot jingsep daga Sarkar Pedeng Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region rengkat bat ke Sarkar Jilla. Ka Lady Keane College kadeka way na Pedeng Islam Pule kabala yo ya gani kalat kabala penslur bat Mynsiem ya ke Khynnah Pule ban jam seprang hagatong jongki lengbaga ni kalain. Ya gani ka kunhon layalam dai nong hikai chemistry i Miss Twincy Kongstia.
Te hakabaide ya kandi ngasukwa ban lam khmat khandian na shapang kani ka program baling ishaje ningkong kani ka program kadi ka bala sedang ningkong da ka long da initiate kan da ka nisak nangta ya kani ka program ru la organize da ka Isro bat la sanction ya kani bat ka fund ka bangiyo kadi ba in collaboration ka government of India but ka government of a state means government of Meghalaya te baru ke jinglot jingsep kila be kini tenang ta ke ka bangitep ka long ba ngi yo shithi ben nabo ka DSEL de yo shithi te long ba ka school jong pi kala sha select ban represent ya ka state ka jongi na ka benta ka ni ka exposure visit te anda kala select ya ka school ka jongi te imam ru ila jet ken idon kam ban jet ke students idon kam khatlaingot tengidan kamru ki coordinator te imam ila apha jet as a teacher tamo kumno hikai jong ki class 12 science tengala jet iki students te based on their performance tenangta but ngila apha ikini ki list of names ki kerteng jong ki Khynnah along with coordinator sha ka DSEL ken tenang tu ngidon sa ki nodal officer ki ba ya cooperate lang bat ngi te ila manage me in everything ila lut ma in nadong shadong ken te gis ngo kemen ruk kata nama na ka government jong ka Meghalaya nama bakala jet yangi ka school kan ban represent ya ka state ka jongi te kat kum ka tu kalis ka bang yo i ki don south li ki school ki ba kila jet te ngam ko ban pen pau ki kerteng te ngi ru don ka ngilong ka way na kata ka school kan bangi sha jet na po Meghalaya
kat kum paching sham jong ate ngas ngulong kalong shisha ka buk siar bun poi sha Isro lang kalong ke ka advantage mo bangin ang ba bangin yo ban rong haki space station bangin yo ban interact ban kren bat ki scientists badru bangin dai ki ka kumno ka komshna jong ki yakini ki satellites ha kar kumno baki ki pha ki shaki sun banang a but kalong ka kajing thrang ka inspiration yang iru ki kum ki Khynnah ba bangin pule kum kitu ki lan kum ki science and technology haki benta ba phe shpang ka space ila ban you have for further studies hadin habot ba ila ban long ka inspiration hadin habot bangila ban long bangin long ki scientist ki operation menteri haki operation haki namenta kari ka jat bin reu nomor ba nangi pajudan naki khasi nakari jat bin reu khasi pajudan hi bangin poi ha kata ka kadan bangin let pulish phang ki space science and space and technology phang ki space bangin tip phang ki ni ki sun benang ki met benang te ding kong ka thong jong kani ka NESAC ka ba initiate kani ka program ka ba sang ni ka program kolong ba ki Khynnah kiniyo banpet ya ka ka ba long shaba ngila don tang po classroom ben te ka ba ngi ya kre ngi pule ru kolong bet tang na po classroom te ngi kwa ru ba ki Khynnah kiniyo kata ka jingpet ta ki khmat la jong ban i kolong shisha kumno bat kham tam ki Khynnah ki bade ki ba pule ha ka science stream
ban tip shisho ken leng ba kani ka jing puli ka jong ki kumno ru ba kila ban apply ken ba kila ban pendon kam ha ka jing em jong ki means ha ka prthei ka bangisa ban long ru ka jing ka khush ki we te leng ba kani ka program Isro kala long shisha hanga kala smo shisha ka jing mentoy ba ki student ki jongi namar ha ba poi hang tu ngi i shisha ya ka jing start ka jong ki ngi i shisha ya ka jing tre shitom ka jong ki ngi i shisha ya ka jing tre shitom jong ki om tang na ka benta cement hindi nakabenta ka imlang ka salang nakabenta ru ka state bat kum juruk khamtam nakabenta ka ri ka jongi hi barok ka we bat bangilong kum ni kum bangilong ru lengba ki tu ki start technology ki ba pher de namanta ki jing trishtom ki jongki ki student apa poi hung tu ho ngi shutem andala poi hung tu ngi i shisha ken ya krukom trekam ki jongki ya ka jing trishtom ki jongki bat kani ka pen kata ru aki ken baki ru ki dan kam ban trishtom ban poi sha ka tu ka thong.
So my experience about visiting Isro was truly felt like a dream come true. Meeting scientists from Isro was very awesome. They were very knowledgeable and experienced people. And while seeing them through the screen, I never thought that I'll meet them in my real life as well. Getting knowledge, interacting with them, meeting them was really a very good experience for me. Space technology in the next 20 years, I think it will literally change a lot. Just not in the space, but it will also affect our lives as well. Because we can see with the advancement of AIs, as it is already changing our lives. And AI plus space, I guess we can get into a more advanced and futuristic world. Yeah. Yeah, we got to see the models of Chandrayaan 3. We even got to see making of satellites, real life making of satellites through our own eyes, and it was really very awesome. We saw scientists making satellites in the clean rooms. It was like very, very nice.
Te kabaning kong kalong habang yalam ne ki Khynnah shutu te ngilayo man kili ki Khynnah ki ong ba ki sngotenat kawe om tang ba ki sngotenat kani ka pen ketik shisho eki bakin kham krek kot bha bakin la ban tip kham ba shisho shapang ka science and technology kom no kani ka la balong ka jing kerku haka imlang ka salang tumbangi ngi mentah kani ka karta jongi mo ong no kum ki generation juga jongi gi la Pule bhash pang science and technology te ngi don kam ya ki phone ngi don kam ya ki mobile jongi ngi don kam ya ki internet ki jongi ngi don kam bantip ya ka jinglong jong ka sin beneng te ngi don kam ru ya ka jinglong jong ka mariang ngi don kam ru bantip ya ki jaka ki puta lengba kani ka space science and technology ka yarap ka ngi te ngada super khat ke ka bangila banle mentaru de lengba ka jing trishtom ka jongki lengba ka space science and technology ngila ken mentangi la ban yo I kidur ki ba pher ki Khynnah talong ka ketik kenya ki ba ki ru mo don da kila Pule for example ngi Pule ngi bataya ke kum geography la ngi bataya shapang ka jaka lengba kani ka start science and technology kila ban ithu bha kenya ka jaka kalong kumno ka area kalong kumno ki boundary kilong kumno nang ta ba ka line jong ka agriculture ru ka jaka ba khamlong seiso banthung bantep lengba kani ka jing start kila ban tip khambania tenang taru te kum ki science student kila ru shisho ban ayu khanang ba kandon kata ka thong hakiken ba makiru kidon kata ka jingkermen ken mangi ngidon ka jingkermen haki ba ki wanra ya ka jingpha ken haka imlang ka salang.
My reaction when I heard the news, I was actually really excited. I'm pretty spiritual like that. I felt like it was a God's gift. I felt that, because I really wanted to go to Isro. There's this one exam that you give, a test actually. It's for the Yuvika program. It's also facilitated by Isro. The organizers are from the Isro department. Well, that is for the class 9 students, and I did give my exam for that, and I was devastated when I didn't get chosen for it. But my mom said, your time will come, try again. So I tried my best in my studies, and yes, I reached Isro, and I was very emotional about it because it was a dream for me. And when I saw the departments, when I saw how they made their satellites, and when I saw how the pride of our country, how hard they're working, I felt really inspired. My first reaction when I saw the headquarters, when I saw their hospitality, was that I was really grateful. I was in awe. Yes, I didn't meet any astronauts, but I met engineers and I met scientists. And well, when we were taken to one of the facilities, which is known as a clean room, we met our engineers or scientists over there. They were testing out the satellites. They were integrating parts of the satellite. And then when we went to the thermovacuum, where they do environment testing on these satellites, we also met engineers over there, and they explained a lot of stuff. It was, I think for me, I would hold that information, that knowledge which I gained, to my heart, close to my heart forever. Things that I've learned at Isro, well, personally, for my own needs, I think I would use it as motivation to study harder, to reach where our scientists have reached. Maybe one day I will be there as well. I would also like to part my knowledge. I would like to research on it.
Hanga shimet ka long shisha ka bapha haduk kata namar beleng yo ong kawe kelong badadang is sa hakani ka jeli ka jongi haka state ka jongi nginam i thante ke ka bakile anda la posh tu ka ketik te beleng ngi long tang state ibaren ibangim padon te ka bangin la balek ku balek maki anda la the posh tu pat ka pen iken beleng kedang don shibun ka ba kini ki student ki don kam ban tresh tom bat mangi kum kinong hikairu ban kam pen tebet shisho ikasap ke jongi ban kam pen long engage ki Khynnah ban kam tam ban Isro ki real example ken haki te kata ka ka bang sngo
gidan shibun ki ching hikai ngiyo na po bangi one station through kabening kong kalong ba ki motivate yang hi ken bangin long ki battery shitom kum ki tu ki scientist support ha Isro kum no baken trishtom iyo ki ching hikai ba kum no ki satellites kum ba mangi ngi don pendan kam kum media ru ka pendan kam leng ba ki satellites iyo ken ki ching hikai kum no leng ba kum no kini ki Isro ka pendan kam kini ki satellites ki connection te shibun pha ki ching mentoi ngiyo na po ka Isro shibun pha ki long ki inspire yang ni kum ka Khynnah school kum ka Khynnah mo kum ka science students ka inspire ken yang ni bangin long kum maki bangin trish tom in le khanang bangin pursue higher ya ka higher jeng Pule chungi kum maki bangin le babun ki line spung kum ki engineering ki wei pat hala ban long kum ki scientist hapa Isro ka ching shna chung ki satellites ka long kum ka book siar ka bangin yo kum no yakini ki satellites ki la shna shapo she Isro ngila yo ru shibun ki model kum ya 2023 uchan rayan 3 dang dep launch ngi yo ken ki models ki kum no ha ki don ru kata ka clean room kum no yakini ki models ki finalize ken chwa ba bin launch ki yakini ki satellites
ya kata mo kumban ong no ki interest kadan bet yaki ta ka wei ning kong ta ban poy kata ka jaka ban i kata mo te ka khoi ki don ki tu ki katu kat ni ki Khynnah ki ong ho ngalong willing nang ni shakmat bangaru ban Pule fang ka space science and technology te ho ki don ru mo ki ong ho ngakwa lang kum tu tang ba kam dei thang kum tu ru tang ban kham Pule kham shajrom te ki don kum kita tengas mo tanat ken ba na ka tu bangiwan ki don ki Khynnah ka ba ka ketik yaki ka kata yaki ka ai jingmut ru yaki baki ru kila ken balong kum ki wei na kitu ki bane trilang ken.
Everything started when we reached the hotel. We were so intrigued by everything. Everything was so new to us. We were very excited and also a little scared because since it was exclusive and since it was confidential, we didn't get the information of everything we're going to see. So we're a little scared, and as soon as we reached the site, it was very much exciting, and it was good to see the things that we see online, and it was very good. Because I have a dream which is different from Isro or like being an astronaut, but I can say that it really intrigued my mind about space, science and technology, and it made me more curious about them and made me more exciting about the projects they are doing. And the Mangalyan project, before I was
excited, but now I feel like I am part of them. So it was very good.
Ningkong ka banga kwa kalong ba haba hakajinglet jengi shapo Isro kalong kumniken ki kawai ka bakini ki scientists but ki engineers ki ai jingmut ingi balong ba kini ki Khynnah hi napok ka North Eastern state jongi ki don kambet ya ka bakum kani ka exposure kanang ba balay bakan ketik yaki bakinang la syuban pentibet yalade ha ka ba Pule ka space science and technology ka ba aru kalong ba ka bang khams ngong tanat kalong ba menta omdei ki Khynnah ki bade napok ka science background ki bala ban pentibet shisho jing Pule bakam shujrong ki jongki ki Khynnah ki la bandai napok economics background kila bandai na ki engineering background kila bandai na ki statistics background ru kila ban Pule ki ka space science and technology te ki khmi lenti bha na ka liang jong ki ya ki North Eastern state jongi baro pratli bakindon ki Khynnah ken ki bala ban kham Pule shujrong ki balong ru ban yashim talang bat ki kham tam kumba ki la pen sngo kan sedan su kata ka future mission ke jongki ki ong ba ki khmi lenti ken let si ki don ki Khynnah na peding jongi ki ban saya trelang bat kila ban pen ulong ya kata ka mission ke jongki ka pa ki pon pha shibun
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpnyang kan tau bon jat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat ban the shanala ne ban thang pendo no. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya kane ko umpnyang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang ru kan kta syo.